In this video, I'll show you how to start a Disney Plus GroupWatch to watch with your family. Firstly, open the Disney Plus webpage and log into your account with your credentials. Browse the content library and select the movie or TV show that you want to watch with others. On the details page of the selected title, locate the GroupWatch icon. It looks like three people in a circle and it's positioned on the right of the play button. Click on the plus button, then select Copy Link. Share the link with your friends or family members through text, email, or any other preferred methods. Once everyone has joined, click the Stream button to begin watching the content together. To select a new show or add more people, just click the back arrow to leave the current video. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.